Firstly, that's Lizzie, my Campbell sisters. I haven't done much videos yet, but this is a video. A real video.
And we are going to do a car video.
Yeah. Basically, it's going to be like a Range Rover and a Lamborghini. We both share it because, you know...
We got two.
Yeah, if it's not fair, because if I have two and Lily has none, that's not fair.
Fifi's got two, not me, but she
And
can
I gave her a Lamborghini, right there, the orange car right there. And this is the 4x4 car. It's actually really good, the 4x4 car what I'm holding. And that's Lamborghini. It goes the wrong way, but it's actually still good. Really good. That's why it's faster than the Range Rover. 4x4 Range Rover. Let's hit this. Have a look.
Wait, no, wait, that one.
Look back.
The remotes are now the same.
Yeah, like we get it, so we put them on, and then all the cars on, then we put all the remote controls on, and we basically see which one is it for each. But if we do it at the same time, we can't. So if we do it one at a time.
Okay, so let's get. You can go first and do a little test run.
Okay.
You can go back.
Hopefully this will be good to you. But yeah, hey, hopefully you can't see when you can or something. What is like this one? Put it on.
No, it's already on the thing. No, it's already on.
Now we do it.
Oh, sorry guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, alright.
Sorry about the Mickey.
You might have not seen it, but let's go.
Yeah.
Go.
Ooh.
Sorry if you can't see it, guys.
Yeah, I'll try again.
Okay, we'll try and do it straight again and make sure it's straight.
And then we'll look at the front wheels so let's see if it's straight. If it isn't, just tell me. Ooh. Not straight. Get off, Liv.
Go. Whoa, okay, you can't see it there.
Let's see.
Woo.
Now go back. Good boy.
My turn. Okay, so now you have to go over there behind the
Yeah, now make
camera.
sure the wheels are straight. This is my steering wheel. Steering wheel out in the car.
So weird.
Oh,
The Lamborghini.
Make sure the wheels are... Yeah, it's covering out, of course.
Good landing, Range Rover.
Sorry about that.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, steady, go.
No. Yeah, hers is not really good. That's why we're telling you about hers.
Okay, ready, steady, go.
Oh, mine.
It's
Gonna
gonna
go
get
through
stuck.
that car. My turn. No, Teddy has mine out of the way.
Wait, because we both had to go, we're going to do something different now. So sit on the floor, Fee. Knees on the floor. We've got the cars, and we're going to drive, and we want to see who's faster. I think we're Discovery, but I really want Range Rover. Range Rover! But I really want Olive. I really want you guys to see it, so I'm going to put you guys like here. Yeah, that's good.
That's actually really better.
Yeah, so then you can see us on the floor a little bit more. You know what we mean.
Yeah, he was high, but then he was low. Like, oh, I'm a baby.
Woohoo!
Yeah? Let me look at it.
Fifi's going over driving for a minute. Go, Fee. Driving. You drive, Fee.
hand, or you don't want to take my keys. Yes.
Okay, I'll show you how I drive my car. And then, basically, guys, I'm going to show you what you do if you're doing your car.
Okay, you basically down here. Okay, if you want to put it on, you put it on, and then you put the car on. See, on. You do it that way, or if you want to put it that way, and then you put this on, and then for forwards you go this way, then you backwards you go, put that down, and then forwards, up, down. But then the ways how you move it, the car.
How about you move out the way because all we can see is your leg.
Yeah. And you could always do different stuff like this. Do that.
Wait, can I show you?
Oops.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Sorry, guys. Liv. I'm sorry. Don't embarrass me. Am I done? First, have to have a look. Look at this side. Oh, you've already had your look.
Can we stop doing this now? I think we should do something fun.
Yeah.
Let's go over here. I've got this jelly thing, and I think we're going to use that as a roundabout. And I want you guys, we're going to do a little race, but not like an exact race. Whoever wins doesn't win anything.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got a roundabout here. Driving, we go round, and then
I
we
go in that round.
to this black man, and you pass it, you win. Okay, ready? Wait, hang on, I haven't got my remote, that's not fair. Oh, okay. Okay,
Alright.
ready? No! Actually, we're not going to do like a race. So you can go fast, and I'm going to time you by counting.
Yeah. And then
Ready? Steady? Go!
Whoa!
You haven't done!
Oh man!
That's so hard! Cut. That was cut. How about we do it without this first?
Yeah, I'm gonna try and sort this out because look, this car's not straightness and not the roundest. I feel like anything helps the ball. Pin. Wow. Wow.
Why are you putting the ball in the middle?
Because I am.
By the way, we're just going to do this little roundabout and then we're going to say bye to you guys. Okay.
No, they haven't roast dinner with us.
No, we're not having roast dinner. Okay, so now she just has to go front and she has to pass. And I have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have you? Okay, she got it. 5 seconds, my turn. And then guys, we're going to tell you something really special. Ready?
Oh,
You're meant to be counting. Oh, okay, ready? Ready, Fee? Are you ready for me to count?
ready?
For you to count. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 3. So I passed the line. So I won because I got the speediest level. But it doesn't matter who wins or not. And also, what is it called again with this car?
Lamborghini.
So I keep saying bikinis. No, it's Lamborghinis. Okay, so we're just gonna say that. Sorry. We're just gonna say that we really want our subscribers and we want you guys to put a thumbs up. It will mean so much to me and hopefully Fifi as well. And if you can't watch this video too long, then okay. But we really want you to subscribe and put a thumbs up. Especially we just began and we've only got 5. It's good enough, but we want 10 at least. 2-digit number. So Bye guys, and hope you had a nice day today.
Yeah.
Or afternoon, whatever night or day, whatever you did. I hope you had fun and had a nice day. Bye. Hope you had a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.